In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check your watch history here on X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up the X app. Once you open it up, tap on the profile icon up in the top left. After you do that, you need to scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Open that up and select your account up at the very top. From here, select download an archive of your data. It's going to redirect you to a browser version of X where you need to sign into your account. After you sign in and verify, you're going to have to tap request archive, and X is then going to prepare a file with all of your data, including the watch history and activity. Once it's ready, download it and you'll be good to go. And that is actually the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.